students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and safe. In the previous lecture, we have completed page number 58 and 59 also, I think so. Activities of the lesson. Which lesson? Lesson 2.2. The 3 questions. And we have learned all activities on page number 58, 59. I think on page number 59, there is a activity of grammar. Okay. Activity number 11. Activity 10 we have completed, jumbled words, and activity 10b, collocations. Okay, collocations I told you. Collocations are the group of two meaningful words. Most important, early morning. Okay, so in this activity we have to write collocations from the story, from the lesson, like important, most important, intently, gazing intently. Okay, then time, right time, widely renowned. You can find out easily these collocations from the lesson. Okay, so don't worry about that. So see activity 11. What is activity 11? Activity 11 say whether the verbs underlined in the sentences are finite verbs or non-finite verbs. Okay, limited by the number or person of the subject. Finite verb or non-finite verb. So what are finite verbs? As I told you, I think I told you earlier, finite verbs are limited by the number of the person or tense, you can say. Means according to the subject. Sentence में जो subject होता है, what is subject? Subject is the owner of the action, performer. So doer of the action. So according to the subject, the verb changes. At that time we can say the verb is finite verb. Finite verb changes according to the subject or number of the subject or tense in the sentence. ये ध्यान में रखिए कि वो चेंज होता रहता है. And non-finite उसका opposite है. Non-finite verb does not change. Non-finite verb does not change according to the subject, according to the number of subject, according to the tense also. Tense कोई भी हो, subject singular हो या plural हो, non-finite verb does not change. Examples are given here. First example, he decides to go. Decides to go to hermit. Decides. Okay, decides is a finite verb क्योंकि ये change हो जाएगा. Decides का decided हो जाएगा या decide हो जाएगा या decides हो सकता है. So decide is a finite verb. To go. Okay, to go is infinitive. And it is infinitive, so it is a non-finite verb. Okay, so to go is non-finite verb because it does not change. Decided to go, decides to go, decide to go, have decided to go, will decide to go. ये to go जो है वो change नहीं होगा, इसलिए वो non-finite है. और decides finite है क्योंकि वो change हो जाएगा. So page number 59 completed. Page number 60. I have come to you, wise hermit, come. Which verb is finite or non-finite? Come, came, come. It is finite verb because it changes. He gave the reward to the nun. Gave कौन सा verb है? आपको आना चाहिए. Gave finite verb. Okay, because it changes. So gave finite verb. 4. The hermit was digging the ground. Was digging. अब digging non-finite में आएगा क्योंकि he was digging. Okay, she is digging. He is digging. He has been digging. So digging में change नहीं होगा. इसीलिए digging आएगा non-finite. It is you can say participle. Okay, so present participle. So it is non-finite verb. I pray you, pray again. Pray pray का praise हो सकता है या prayed हो सकता है. So it is finite verb. Okay, so I think you have understood. I hope you have understood. Okay, and rest of the activities are activities of group discussion, then writing skill activities. Okay, so do it at home. So we will move to next lesson on page number 61, connecting the dots. Okay, connecting the dots means not related to rangoli. Connecting the dots means connecting the incidents of life. We know that there is a strong connections among the incidents or happenings in our life. Okay, हमारे लाइफ में जो कुछ होता है इंसिडेंट्स वो एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, एंड वी शुड फाइंड कनेक्शन ऑलवेज अमंग दीज इंसिडेंट्स. Okay, so on page number 61, as usual, there is an activity warming up, and in warming up activity first A, connect the dots to get what means a lot to you. Okay, what means a lot? The word what means a lot to you? A lot means so much. Okay, and the word is sun here. You can connect the dots and make the word sun. The word is sun, S-U-N, sun. Okay, so similarly you can find other words by connecting the dots. It is like a puzzle. It is very easy. You can do it at home. Okay, B, with your benchmate use letters वगैरह वगैरह वो आप कर सकते हो. Easy activity है. Now you are quite familiar with computer, especially the personal computer. We can call it PC. Form pairs and make a list of famous computer manufacturing companies. IBM, Apple. Okay, these are the famous companies of computer manufacturing. Okay, third activity, complete the web by filling the various profits of the computer. Benefits of the computer, we can say advantages of the computer. Okay, so advantages: speed, fast. Okay, then data, we can save a lot of data, so much data in the computer. Computer is connected with internet. From the internet we can get various sources of knowledge. We can get so much knowledge. Okay, computer is used for educational purpose. Computer is used for business purpose. Computer is used for entertainment purpose. For all purpose, most of the purpose, computer is used. So there are lot of benefits and advantages you know of computers. Okay, then activity 4, there are contracted forms. You know that contracted forms means short forms of the verb. Okay, expand the following into their full form. Full form आपको करना है, बहुत ही easy activity है. Like that and comma, तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा full form? That is. Okay, दूसरा दिया है then didn't. You know that. वैसे तो मुझे activity लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Didn't means what? Did and not. This is full form, this is contracted form. Full form, contracted form. Okay, then third is here comma s means what? Here is. Okay, full form, contracted form. Okay, very much easy activity. So activity B. Now activity A. Activity A में क्या था? इसको expand करना है, मतलब you have to write full form. Now activity B, write the short forms of the following. जैसे कि अभी short form जब लिखते हैं, short forms में क्या करना है? Short forms में आपको full form का short form लिखना है कि जैसे you and have. So उसका short form हो गया you apostrophe comma have, ve. Okay, then I would. तो इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म हो जाएगा I, D. हाँ, और उसके बाद दिया है it is, तो उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म हो जाएगा it, s. ओके, सो वैसे कि will not, हमेशा इसमें the students will get confused. Will not short form won't, W-O-N apostrophe comma and T, won't. उसके बाद are not short form aren't. Very much simple activity this is. Okay, so I think rest of the verbs you can do at home. Okay, so page number 61 is completed. Now page number 62, the lesson connecting the dots. Connecting the dots means association with the happenings of the life, association of incidents of our life. Okay, the incidents or the happenings in our life, they are associated closely. Just we have to find the association, we have to find the connection of these incidents. Okay, and here the lesson is a you can say good example, best example of association of incidents of a famous person, Steve Jobs. You have heard the name Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was the entrepreneur and he was the co-founder of Apple company. You know, Apple is very much popular and famous company of mobile and laptop. मतलब जिसके पास एप्पल का लैपटॉप है, जिसके पास एप्पल का मोबाइल फोन है, मतलब उसका स्टैंडर्ड एक अलग होता है, ऐसा बोलते हैं. सो इस फेमस, द वर्ल्ड फेमस एप्पल कंपनी के को-फाउंडर स्टीव जॉब्स के बारे में लेसन हमें बताता है. स्टीव जॉब्स के लाइफ में जो इंसिडेंट्स हो गए, जो हैपनिंग्स हो गए, उसमें क्या एसोसिएशन था, उसमें क्या कनेक्शन था. The lesson tells us, means the Steve Jobs tells us the association of his life, happenings of his life. Okay, so first paragraph, Steve Jobs 1955 to 2011. Means 1955 he was born. He was an American entrepreneur, business magnate, inventor and industrial designer. Entrepreneur means he was the person who started his business in the new form. Okay, without taking the help of any other person, he started his business own. So he was entrepreneur, he was a business magnate, he was business champion, he was inventor and he was industrial designer. He was the chairman, chief executive officer and co-founder of Apple Inc., Apple Inc., the world famous company Apple. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. He was one of the pioneer. Pioneer means the person who began newly or the person who began first. He was the beginner. He was the beginner of microcomputer production. There was a revolution in microcomputer and he was one of the person who began revolution, okay, in 1970s and 1980s. Okay, this was the introduction of Steve Jobs. Now first paragraph of the lesson. Today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. Steve Jobs wanted to tell 3 important stories of his life. That's it. Just 3 stories. Just 3 stories, but important stories. The first story is about connecting the dots, association or you can say connection or linking of the dots. Here, dots means incidents, happenings. I dropped out. First incident, first happening. I dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months. Steve Jobs drop out. What is the meaning of drop out? College में से drop out होना आपने सुना है. So meaning is given there. Drop out means discontinued. Steve Jobs discontinued his college. Steve Jobs left his college. The name of the college is Reed College. He left his college first 6 months. But then he stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months. But he did not continue his college after 6 months. But he remained as a drop-in. As a drop-in means as a guest, as a visitor. He did not continue. He was not a regular student. He was irregular student for another 18 months. Before I really quit, before he really left the college, before he really quit the college, he was the visitor, only visitor. Looking back, it was one of the best decisions I ever made. When Steve Jobs looked back, when Steve Jobs thinks about his decision, he thought that it was, means leaving the college was one of the best decisions that he had taken in his life. Okay, then I could stop. Taking the required classes that didn't interest me. In classes, in lectures, Steve Jobs was not interested at all, so he stopped attending lectures. Begin dropping in one on the that looked interesting. Begin dropping in on the ones that looked interesting. So he took interest that was interesting for him, and he was not interested in the lectures or the classes. So in this way, the first paragraph is completed on page number 62. Rest of the part of the lesson we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.